When you've removed it, here is the mouth pin. Here is the mouth pin. Here is it. So you need to change this. What you need to do is to use a soldering iron. For you to be able to remove the old mouth pins, then you need to use a soldering iron to remove it. Use a soldering iron. It has a black and red wire, so you need to remove use a soldering iron to remove the old one. When you've removed the old one, you need to get a new mouth pin. When you've removed the old mouthpiece, you need to get a new one. Here is the new one. Here is the old one. The next thing to do, here is the new one. Also position it accordingly. You see the place you remove the red wire, you need to put the red one so that the red one to it. This is how you can be able to fix it. Just make sure you use a lead to lead each of the wire to its position.